In this video, I'm going to show you how to make header transparent in Shopify Dawn theme. Making the header transparent in the Shopify Dawn theme can enhance the overall look of your online store. The first thing that you need to do is to enable sticky header. To do that, go to the header section on the theme customization. Enable the sticky header option if you want the header to remain visible as users scroll down the page. Now get a transparent header code. Look for a source code that provides transparent header code. Copy the relevant code for creating a transparent header. Now in your Shopify admin, go to online store and go to themes. Click on the customize button for the Dawn theme and navigate to the edit code section. Now locate the header.liquid and theme.liquid files. Replace the existing header code with the transparent header code you copied earlier. Now save your changes and proceed to review your online store to be able to see the transparent header in action. Now customize header appearance. Adjust the header font, color, and transparency as desired. You can also customize the other header elements such as logo placement and menu styles. Remember to test your changes thoroughly to ensure that they work as expected. If you encounter any issues, you can always revert to the previous version or seek further assistance. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.